Here's check on stories we're following for you today on Robin Hood Radio. Well, the number of cases of coronavirus in our tri-state region as of yesterday afternoon: in Litchfield County, 1 in Cornwall, none in Falls Village, 5 in Kent, Norfolk had 1, North Canaan 1, Salisbury 4, and Sharon 6. Meanwhile, in Dutchess County, active cases tracked by the county look like this: Amenia 10, Beacon City 68, Beekman 33, Clinton 7, Dover 16, East Fishkill 75, Fishkill 98, Fishkill Village less than 5, Hyde Park 51, LaGrange 49, Milan less than 5, Millbrook Village less than 5, Millerton Village less than 5, Northeast less than 5, Pauling 14, Pauling Village less than 5. Pending address confirmation now 135, Pine Plains less than 5, Pleasant Valley 14, Poughkeepsie 131, Poughkeepsie City 111, Red Hook 8, Red Hook Village less than 5, Rhinebeck 25, Rhinebeck Village less than 5, Stanford less than 5, Tivoli Village less than 5, Unionvale 13, Wappinger 81, Wappingers Falls 20, and Washington 7. Connecticut Governor Ed Lamont has announced there are 6,906 total confirmed COVID-19 cases in Connecticut. There have been 1,221 hospitalizations and 206 deaths linked to the virus, according to Lamont. He said that Connecticut is not seeing the rate of increase going up quite as quickly as other states. He said it could be a variety of reasons, with one of them being social distancing. By the way, Kent Falls Skate Park in Kent closed Monday due to challenges maintaining appropriate social distancing. DEEP said it would be closed for the duration of the public health emergency. New York schools and non-essential businesses will remain closed through April 29th due to the coronavirus pandemic. The governor made the announcement as he said New York on Pause initiative will continue as the positive cases and deaths continue to increase. The state has prohibited all non-essential businesses from having their employees report to work on site, and all New Yorkers are being told to limit their outdoor movement to trips to the grocery store, exercise, with appropriate social distancing and other essential trips. The number of deaths in New York is well above any other state in the nation, hitting over 4,785 on Monday. Cuomo said the rate of death hasn't grown, though, any higher than it had been in recent days, and hospitalizations are down, both good news. The number of positive cases hit 131,000. In Berkshire County, cases of COVID-19 as part of 4 p.m. Monday. The coronavirus killed another 29 Massachusetts residents, with none being from the Berkshires. The State Department of Public Health said on Monday cases had increased up to 268 from 258 on Sunday. The county's deaths from the virus total 13. The State Department of Public Health announced yesterday another 29 new deaths for a total of 260. The Department of Public Health announced 4,492 new tests conducted, totaling 76,429. There are now 13,837 confirmed cases in the Commonwealth, up from 12,500 reported on Sunday. Out of Great Barrington, a cluster of residents in a one unit at Fairview Commons has tested positive for the coronavirus, according to the Berkshire Eagle. The town's health department is working with the state and the nursing home to help combat further spread of the disease. All 9 residents to test positive are in private rooms in the nursing home's short-term rehab unit, and all were asymptomatic when tested, according to the Vice President of Communications for the facility's parent company, Berkshire Healthcare Systems. Another 105 residents at the Christian Hill roadside tested negative, and results are pending for another 8. Every resident in the building was tested on Friday. The news comes after a larger outbreak at Williamstown Commons, one of the company's 4 Berkshire facilities. As for Saturday, 4 residents there died, and at least 50 have tested positive. Both outbreaks are part of a disturbing trend statewide as the virus is tearing through nursing homes. The Watershed Center Kitchen in Millerton is preparing medicinal broths for folks in the local community who are most in need, people who are sick, and medical and rescue personnel on the front line. Their website, thewatershedcenter.org, has details. There are 3 options: chicken bone broth, beef bone broth, and medicinal herb vegetarian broth. You can order 2 quarts of each by emailing resilientfood@thewatershedcenter.org. If you wish to make a donation for their production costs, they would be happy to accept one. Further questions? email Brooke, BROOKE, at thewatershedcenter.org. Our business brief is underwritten by Morgans at the Interlaken. You'll find them on Facebook and at interlakenin.com. And Salisbury Bank and Trust, salisburybankandtrust.com. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up over 1,600 points to 22,679.99 yesterday. The Nasdaq starts off today at 7913.24, and the S&P 500 at 2663.68. We'll take a look at the tri-state forecast. That'll come your way in just a few moments.